To be a valid contract, the intention of the parties to create a legal relationship is necessary. If the intention is not present, the contract cannot be enforced in a court of law. An intention may be expressed or it may be implied. An intention not to create legal relationship was implied in the case of Balfour versus Balfour. In this case, the defendant, who was employed on a government job in Ceylon, went to England with his wife on leave. For health reasons, the wife was unable to accompany the husband again to Ceylon. The husband promised to pay £30 per month to his wife as maintenance for the period she had to live apart. The husband, having failed to pay this amount, was sued by the wife for the same. It was held that in this case, there being no intention to create legal relationship, the husband was not liable. Learned Judge Atkin observes, it is necessary to remember that there are agreements between parties which do not result in contracts within the meaning of that term in our law. The ordinary example is where two parties agree to take a walk together or where there is an offer and an acceptance of hospitality. Nobody would suggest in ordinary circumstances that those agreements result in what we know as a contract. One of the most usual forms of agreements which does not constitute a contract appears to me to be the arrangements which are made between husband and wife. To my mind, those agreements, or many of them, do not result in contracts at all, even though there may be what as between other parties would constitute consideration. They are not contracts because the parties did not intend that they should be attended by legal consequences.